ended up buying the car. We sold this thing literally in a day, not even 24 hours. And within that 8 hours, we ended up making the old Toyota Matrix flip. Full process video number 3, that car. It was actually totaled by the owner a week after. A drunk driver ended up hitting it when it was parked, absolutely totaled, $9,000 worth of damage apparently, but he's looking for another car now. I may have found him something perfect. The kilometers are a little bit on the higher end, but I just texted him and he might be down. Let me show you guys this. It is pretty much the exact same car he had before, a little bit better. This one has fog lights. The last Matrix we had didn't. The 2011, the wheels look a little bit nicer. The interior looks super clean, but it has a sunroof. This one is definitely a premium version compared to the one that he had before. Like I said, it is a little bit on the higher end for kilometers. It's at 250. He said that'd likely be doable based on the condition, just because it looks like it's in literally perfect condition. We can sell it to him really quick, help him out. You know, as long as we're helping him out, it'll be a nice quick sale. Let's see if we can get this thing. I'm gonna record the bidding process. Let's do that. Good morning, guys. I just woke up and I'm bidding on this Toyota Matrix right here. It's already a little bit high priced, which is kind of crazy. About $5,500, which is low-key a crazy price. My buyer says $7K. That's what he'd go for it. I don't know if anyone's gonna beat me out on 5.5, but if they don't, the car's ours, but I'm sure they will because there's 25 minutes left. Like, this one wouldn't be like a $2,000 flip. It'd literally just be like a one-day quick, like 1,000 flip, so we'll see. We're locked in at 5.5. I don't want to go any higher. I think if we don't get this number, I think it's just over. I really hope we get it at this price, just because, like, sure, we're not making the most money, but we'll at least be able to help him out, you know? Dude, I swear this is the longest 30 seconds I've ever seen in my life. Wait, it's done, it's done. Did we not get it? What the hell just happened? Alright guys, so they just put the car in closing, so that means that the other top bidder, I'm the top bidder, but they have the other bidder lined up against me, and if he outbids me by 100, we lose the car. I'll update you guys if he ends up stealing the bid. I really hope not, man. Like, this is genuinely gonna help him out. We're not even gonna be making that much profit, but we actually get to help someone out, so. Because, you know, as y'all know, his car was totaled, the one we sold. Hopefully we can help him out with almost the exact same replacements. And holy shit, guys, we just won the car. It's thunderstorming right now, and my hair looks chopped, but dude, we just won the freaking car, dude. Next thing, we gotta go pick up this car. We'll go from there. All right, good morning, vlog. I just woke up 7 a.m. and today is the day we're getting that car to help out the guy who crashed his old car. To be honest, I definitely got this at a really high price. Probably should not have done this, but it's to help him out. If he doesn't end up taking it, we're low-key screwed. But anyways, we're going to pick up this car. It's 7 a.m. right now. Early start to the day. We're gonna get this whole thing done today. Hopefully, he can come see the car today and actually buy it today. So let's get it sold within 24 hours. That's my goal right now. Let's get this done. All right, guys, we just made it to the office. I'm waiting for my buddy Abdullah, and then we're about to head out. It's an hour drive. Let's go pick up this new Toyota Matrix. I'm excited for it. So we just made it to pick up the car at the largest auction website in Canada. We're at the like headquarters here, bro. Here we are, so we're about to go pick up this car. Hopefully it's good, and then let's get it sold today. Dude, look at this, bro. We gotta wait for a bus to take us to the car. We're on the bus. Oh shit, look at that, look at that. This is insanely clean for its like mileage, bro. Holy shit. We're gonna show the car to him today, so let's get this thing back. It is right there, y'all. We gotta get this thing home now. Look at that. Overall, after looking at it, it's super clean and in crazy condition, I'm not gonna lie. Alright guys, so we just got the Matrix back. This thing is very nice. It's a great car. Let me show you guys it. So overall, this thing is in amazing shape. Beautiful wheels, beautiful color. The paint looks amazing. There's nothing wrong with the body. Like, the body is literally in perfect condition on this one. Like, look at that, guys. Now let's go for the interior here. Oh fuck, it's locked. The interior, it's already cleaned, so I don't even have to clean anything, guys. Cleaned already. It also has a sunroof. So I believe this one's also fully loaded. The last one he had, I believe, was a base model. This one's fully loaded, all-wheel drive. Literally everything. I don't even have to detail this thing. So literally, like, this thing is in pretty good shape. I mean, I might do the headlights. As we can see, the headlights might need to be done. Look at in the trunk too, guys. Even the trunk is cleaned up nicely, bro. Are you serious? So most likely to get this thing looking amazing, we'll do the headlights real quick today, and then he's actually coming at 5 o'clock. Check out this car. I'm looking to make anywhere from $500 to $800 just from this car, you know, one day flip. So that's my goal with this one, and to, you know, to help him out. I'm not gonna take too much profit. But anyways, we're gonna get the headlights done right now, so let's do that real quick. Alright guys, I just got the first one done. It took me about 15 minutes. It's looking a lot better now for sure. This one was definitely the worst one, although that one is pretty bad. Now that I'm looking at both of them, you can kind of tell a difference behind me. It's currently 1 o'clock right now. We got this thing at 11, and he is coming at 5 o'clock today. So we have a couple more hours. We're pretty much done. Yeah, let's get that headlight done. Tire shine, should be good. And just like that, both of them are done. That one's looking great. That one's also looking great. And now the headlights are done, we're gonna quickly put on tire shine, and then he'll be on his way here very soon, so we'll be ready. Tire shine's on, the headlights are done. This thing literally looks incredible. We didn't even have to clean the interior. It's already literally perfectly clean, which is crazy. Now it's just about 2 o'clock. He'll be here in about 3 hours, so this thing's ready, so let's get it sold. All right, guys, it's just about 5 o'clock, and the buyer is gonna be here soon. He said he's gonna be here in about 20 minutes, so we'll show him the car. Hopefully this goes well. All right, y'all, it's officially 6:15. The buyer officially just left, and he ended up buying the car. So we sold this thing literally in a day, not even 24 hours of having it. We're gonna calculate how much we actually made. Obviously, we didn't make as much due to, you know, I was just trying to help him out because one, his old car was totaled. It wasn't even his fault, so we pretty much got him the exact same car. And two, we'll see how long we actually had this car for and how much money we made. So let's go through it. And we got this car this morning at around 10 a.m. We picked it up an hour away. We drove it back home, did the headlights, put on tire shine, and then I called up my buyer and told him the car was ready to come see. He checked it out, loved it, and he ended up buying it and leaving a deposit. He'll be picking it up later this week, but the car is officially sold. We bought this car for $5,772, which is a lot higher than I would have paid normally, but because he totaled his car, I was here to help him out and not take as much of a profit. Now I just sold it for $6,500, but we did have some expenses. To go there and bring the car back, we spent a total of $60 in gas, and that was really the only expense. As I said, we picked up this car around 10 a.m. We sold it at about 6 p.m. We had this car for about 8 hours. And within that 8 hours, we ended up making $680 approximately, so you can do the math on how much we made an hour. It's not bad, and genuinely, I'm glad we got to help him out. You know, it's unfortunate that his car was totaled, but at least, you know, we were here to help him. We made a little bit of money, but most importantly, we got to help him out. And just like that, our new 2011 Toyota Matrix that we literally got this morning is sold after 8 hours of having it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe. We got plenty more full process videos coming this summer, so make sure you stay tuned. And then later on this year, I'll be buying a Nissan GTR, which is my dream car, so stay tuned for some crazy content. Anyways, have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.